Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Ismaria, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to discuss these topics. What is an atom? How big are the atom? Atomic symbols, atomic mass, average atomic mass, gram atomic mass, and how do atom exists? First of all, we will come to know that what is atom. So according to Dalton's atomic theory, atom is the smallest particle of an element. It maintains its identity in any physical change or in any chemical reaction. In other words, we can say that atom is the building block of a matter. Atom may exist anywhere, but we cannot see them. After that, we will discuss how big are the atom. So, the atoms are very small in size. Their size are in nanometers. Even a sack of thousands of atoms when collected makes about a thickness of a paper. Means atoms are so small that thousands of atoms makes only the line which is equal to the thickness of paper. After that, we will discuss atomic symbols. Abbreviations or symbols are used to make the study simple and coefficient. All the chemists used symbols for the element. Dalton also used symbol which is mainly based on the circle for elements. For example, Dalton used this symbol, a circle and a dot. This is hydrogen. A fully black circle, this is carbon. So this way Dalton used symbol for the elements and his symbols were based on the circles. Previously or in the beginning, the symbols were given to the elements from where they were discovered. Means the symbols of the elements were related to the names of place where they were discovered. But nowadays, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, assigns the names for the elements. Most of the symbols consist of its first one or two letters of English Latin. The first letter will be in capital and the second letter will be in small. There are many elements which has the same starting letters. For example, barium, boron, beryllium, all these have starting letter B. So For this type of elements, it is used two letters to represent the elements. For example, boron. I told you boron. Boron is B, but when we call beryllium, it is Be. So this way symbols are assigned to the elements. After that, we will discuss atomic mass. As it is told earlier that in Dalton's atomic theory, the element size characteristics of atomic mass means every atom has a mass. Due to this theory, scientists were prompted to measure the mass of an atom. Since the atom is so small, so it is not possible to measure the weight of a single atom. So the mass of atom is relatively measured with another atom. Nowadays, the mass of atom is compared with the carbon 12 atomic mass. The mass of an atom will be 1/12 times of the carbon 12 mass. After that, we will discuss average atomic mass. Most of the elements occurs in different forms having different atomic mass. These are called isotopes, which is already discussed in Dalton's atomic theory. Isotopes are the atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different masses. So the actual mass of the atom is known as average atomic mass. After that, we will discuss gram atomic mass. What is gram atomic mass? Gram atomic mass is just equal to the atomic mass unit, but it is in the gram. For example, nitrogen atomic mass 14 unit. This is the atomic mass unit of nitrogen. So nitrogen's gram mass unit, gram mass will be 14 gram. So this way it is represented in the gram mass unit. After that, our last ring, how do atoms exist? So basically atoms are not found in the independent states. Basically 2 or 3 atoms are joined to form molecule. So atoms are mainly found in the molecule state. So today we discuss these topics. That's all. Thank you.